Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Eduardo Lardo Plays again. So today it's a little different again, Ioniq 5. Just wanted to show you guys how to remove the air filter. Now, as you can see in the owner's manual, the air filter you're supposed to change every 24,000 kilometers. You're supposed to replace that. It's really simple, and everything else is really just inspection. So I'm not Well, I mean, if you want to go back to your dealership, go ahead for the warranty purposes and obviously other safety issues. But for everything else, everything is just inspections and servicing. So parking brakes need to be serviced, but also your braking fluids need to be replaced every so often. But really, the Ioniq 5 is a very hands-off type of car. There's not a lot of mechanical parts. So today I'm going to show you how to replace, or at least open up the air filter. The first thing you need to do is release your front trunk. Then you go here. Obviously there's a lever again. It's around right here, near the right hand side. Then you lift it up. It's all hydraulic, so that's really nice. You have to lift up your frunk, and inside your frunk you're supposed to open this part. It's a little tight, it's just snapped on. So if you open it like that, so I actually loosened up a little bit, it was a little tight. If you see here, that is where your air filter is. Okay, so if you press, so there's two levers here. You press that, let it go, and there's your air filter. Just take that out and put a new one in and you're good to go. Okay, so it's pretty simple. I mean, probably don't need to hire anyone to do this if you feel comfortable. If you don't, then obviously go back to your dealership and or anyone else that can help you with an air filter. But yeah, and to put it back, say you took that out, you put a new one in. Just put this back in reverse order. Hold on, sorry. There we go. Okay, and then you just really just snap everything back together, right? Right, kind of like the old cell phones. All right, so and that's it. That's how you change your air filter. Super simple. And while we're at it, this is your coolant. This is your low conductivity coolant. This is your window washer fluids that you should double check. And you know, if you don't go to a dealership and you want to do it yourself, double check these are have enough fluid inside them. And then this is your brake fluid, which you're supposed to change every, according to me, I think every 64 or 72,000 kilometers. And this is your battery. So that's it. That's all it is to the Hyundai Ioniq 5. That's the front. And if you have any questions, please comment below and let me know. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. And today was about how to change your air filter.